Здравейте, приятели! Аз съм Галя.
Аз съм Гели.
И днес бихме искали да ви покажем една игра, с която да учите различните части на тялото, пете сетива, като за целта сме подготвили репродукции на известни художници.
И тази диаграма, the five senses: sight, I see with my eyes; hearing, I hear with my ears; taste, I taste with my tongue; smell, I smell with my nose; and touch, I touch with my hand. Now, would you like to choose a picture?
Yes, I think that this is the picture I like the most.
Okay, very well. Can you tell me what emotion does it provoke in you?
It provokes happiness.
Happiness, very well. Can you tell me how does happiness look like?
Happiness looks like people having picnic in a park.
Okay. What about how does happiness sound like?
Happiness sounds like the voices of happy people laughing.
Okay. How does happiness taste like?
Happiness tastes like grilled sausages and cheese sandwiches.
Perfect. How does happiness smell like?
Happiness smells like the scent of fresh flowers in spring.
Alright. And how does happiness feel like?
Happiness feels like freshly cut grass.
Perfect.
Thank you, friends.